Study hard. Do good, guys. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye-bye.
You precious, wonderful young men and women. You're little C-Tech. You're all so darling. Even you're darling.
So, one of the exciting things about C-Tech is, we've had an opportunity to establish what we wanted it to look like for the last 3 years. And today is really that day where it's come to reality. And we got to, have our kids in the stands and be able to watch the ribbon get cut and really celebrate them, because celebrating them, that's why we did this. This is why we built this. We built it for the kids, and the opportunity for them to develop the skills and the opportunity to see what industry had available for them. So we're excited about that.
So we'll come back to this room later because it seems very crowded. Okay. But this is our science room, our STEM lab.
So one of the neat things about C-Tech is that all of our kids have an opportunity to get an associate's degree. Each one of them has the ability to come out with an industrial technology degree from Fresno City College, which means they not only learn the skills to be able to work welders and to do machinery and to work with 3D printers and laser cutters, but the opportunity to plan their future as well, to to go to college, to go to Fresno State and get into their construction management class or go into engineering, or to be employed right off the bat because of the skills that they've learned. So we really create a great opportunity for kids to have multiple options for the future, which is really exciting.
Now you can start really going.
The stress it puts on your parents.
So start turning around, now you can start spinning directions.
So